Personal email. A personal email is the kind of message most people use every day without even thinking about it. It is designed for communication between family members, friends, classmates, or anyone who wants to have a casual conversation. Unlike formal letters, personal emails do not follow strict rules. Some are only a few lines long, while others become detailed stories about daily life, vacations, important events, or personal achievements. The tone usually depends on the relationship between the sender and the receiver. Close friends may write in a relaxed style, while messages to older relatives often sound a little more respectful. Personal email became popular during the early years of the internet, replacing many handwritten letters. Sending a message across the world suddenly took seconds instead of days or weeks. It also became much easier to share photographs, documents, and videos with loved ones. Even though messaging apps now handle many casual conversations, personal email still plays an important role. People often use it for longer messages, sending larger files, or keeping conversations that they may want to find again in the future. Because these emails are stored in an inbox, they create a record of memories that can last for years. Business email. Business email is one of the most important communication tools in the professional world. Companies, organizations, schools, and government offices rely on it every day to exchange information quickly and clearly. Unlike personal email, business email usually follows a more formal style. The language is polite, organized, and focused on the purpose of the message. Whether someone is discussing a project, requesting information, sending a proposal, or confirming a meeting, every sentence is expected to be clear and professional. Business email became essential as companies expanded across different cities and countries. Instead of relying on paper letters or expensive phone calls, employees could communicate almost instantly. Today, millions of business emails are sent every hour around the world. Many companies even keep email records because they provide written proof of conversations and decisions. A well-written business email saves time, reduces misunderstandings, and helps teams work together efficiently, even when they are located in different parts of the world. Marketing email. Marketing email is created to introduce products, services, promotions, or special events to potential customers. Businesses usually send these messages to people who have agreed to receive updates from them. Instead of speaking to one person, a marketing email is often written for thousands or even millions of subscribers at the same time. Modern email marketing systems allow companies to personalize each message by including the recipient's name or recommending products based on previous purchases. The goal is not simply to advertise something. Good marketing emails provide useful information while encouraging readers to take action. They may announce a new product, explain upcoming sales, offer discount codes, or highlight seasonal collections. Successful businesses carefully balance promotion with value because sending too many advertisements can cause subscribers to lose interest or unsubscribe completely. When done well, marketing emails help companies stay connected with customers while building long-term trust. Newsletter email. A newsletter email is sent regularly to keep subscribers informed about topics they care about. Unlike promotional emails that focus mainly on selling products, newsletters are designed to share useful content. A company might send monthly updates about industry news, while a school could send information about upcoming activities. Content creators often use newsletters to share articles, personal insights, tutorials, or recommendations with their audience. Newsletters have existed for many years, first as printed publications and later as digital emails. Their purpose has remained largely the same, keeping people informed on a consistent schedule. Readers often subscribe because they want reliable information from a trusted source. Well-written newsletters create stronger relationships over time because subscribers begin to expect valuable content instead of constant advertising. That ongoing connection makes newsletters one of the most effective forms of email communication. Transactional email. A transactional email is automatically generated after a specific action has been completed. Unlike promotional emails, these messages are expected by the recipient because they provide information about something that has just happened. Examples include purchase confirmations, payment receipts, password reset instructions, shipping notifications, account verification messages, and booking confirmations. Most people receive transactional emails without realizing they belong to a special category. Every time someone buys something online or creates a new account, a computer system automatically generates the appropriate message within seconds. Because these emails contain important information, recipients usually open them almost immediately. Businesses invest heavily in making transactional emails reliable because customers depend on them to confirm that important actions were completed successfully. Notification email. Notification emails are designed to inform users whenever something changes that may require their attention. Social media platforms, online stores, banks, educational websites, and workplace applications all send notification emails every day. A notification might announce that someone commented on a post, updated a shared document, approved a request, or logged into an account from a new device. These messages allow people to stay informed without constantly checking every website or application they use. Some notifications are highly important, such as security alerts warning about suspicious activity. Others are simply helpful reminders about upcoming deadlines or scheduled events. Modern services often allow users to customize which notifications they receive, making email less crowded while ensuring important updates are never missed. Welcome email. A welcome email is usually the very first message someone receives after joining a service, creating an account, or subscribing to a mailing list. Although it may seem simple, this email creates the first impression of a company or organization. It often thanks the new user for joining, explains what to expect in future emails, introduces useful features, and sometimes includes a special discount or bonus. Companies spend considerable time designing welcome emails because they know new subscribers are especially interested during their first interaction. A friendly welcome email helps people feel confident that they made the right decision. It also reduces confusion by explaining where to find important information or how to begin using a product or service. A strong beginning often encourages customers to remain engaged for a much longer time. Cold email. A cold email is sent to someone who has never communicated with the sender before. It is commonly used for business opportunities, networking, sales, recruiting, partnerships, or introducing new ideas. Since there is no existing relationship, the sender has only a few moments to capture the recipient's attention. Writing an effective cold email requires careful planning. It should explain who the sender is, why they are reaching out, and why the message matters to the recipient. Long introductions or unnecessary details usually reduce the chances of receiving a reply. Many successful business relationships have started with a single thoughtful cold email, proving that respectful communication can create valuable opportunities between complete strangers. Support email. Support email helps customers receive assistance when they experience problems with products or services. Technology companies, online stores, airlines, banks, and software providers all depend on support emails to communicate with users. A customer may ask about a technical issue, request a refund, report an error, or seek guidance for using a feature. Good customer support goes beyond simply answering questions. Representatives often need to understand the customer's situation, investigate the problem, and provide clear instructions. Many companies also save support emails so they can review previous conversations if the same customer contacts them again. Helpful support emails increase customer satisfaction and strengthen trust in a company's products and services. Invitation email. An invitation email asks someone to participate in an event, meeting, conference, webinar, celebration, or interview. It provides the information recipients need to decide whether they can attend, including the date, time, location, and purpose of the event. Many invitations also include links for registration or calendars that automatically save the event. Digital invitations have largely replaced printed invitations for business meetings because they are faster, easier to update, and more environmentally friendly. If plans change, organizers can simply send another email with the updated information. Whether inviting 10 people or 10,000, email allows invitations to reach recipients almost instantly. Follow-up email. A follow-up email continues a conversation after some time has passed. It is often used after interviews, meetings, sales discussions, networking events, or unanswered messages. Rather than starting a completely new conversation, it politely reminds the recipient about the previous discussion and encourages further communication. The timing of a follow-up email is very important. Sending one too quickly may seem impatient, while waiting too long could cause the opportunity to disappear. A thoughtful follow-up shows professionalism, interest, and reliability. In many situations, opportunities are created not by the first email but by the respectful follow-up that keeps the conversation moving forward. Survey email. Survey emails ask recipients to share opinions, experiences, or suggestions by answering a questionnaire. Businesses use surveys to measure customer satisfaction, schools ask students for feedback about courses, and organizations collect ideas to improve their services. These emails often contain only a few questions because shorter surveys generally receive more responses. Feedback collected through survey emails helps companies understand what customers appreciate and what needs improvement. Instead of making decisions based on assumptions, organizations can rely on real opinions from the people they serve. Over time, many products and services become better because businesses carefully study survey responses and adjust their plans accordingly. Spam email. Spam email refers to unwanted messages that are sent to large numbers of people without their permission. Some spam simply advertises products that recipients never requested, while more dangerous versions attempt to steal passwords, financial information, or personal details through deception. These harmful messages are often called phishing emails because they try to trick people into revealing sensitive information. Email providers constantly improve spam filters using advanced technology to identify suspicious messages before they reach users' inboxes. However, no system is perfect, which is why people should remain cautious when opening unexpected emails, clicking unfamiliar links, or downloading unknown attachments. Understanding the difference between legitimate email and spam has become an essential digital skill, helping millions of people stay safe while using one of the world's most important communication tools.